Hello and welcome back, Sonic Flash here. I'm gonna buy some characters so you guys don't get tired of seeing the same person. We got Johnny Bravo and Kevin 11. They are not available in the ES version, but since they're playable now to moi, I will play them in this version.
Kids next door!
Whoa, we've landed back in the KND treehouse. Let's round up the rest of the kids next door. We're going to need all the help we can get in order to stop Sticky Beard and save our world. Like Johnny Bravo. Overpower!
System is overly secure. They really must not want you.
If Kevin 11 and Johnny Bravo can't get through,
Show them how right they probably were.
then you need number one. Number one is the only one able to open this area, so you're going to need him. Even though I don't need it, might as well take it. Reaction scene. I suggest not messing up. You will die. That must have been painful. Oh well. Let's go. Whoever those hit, it's not my fault. Oh wow, it worked as Johnny Bravo. Anyone with projectile will work. Whoa, Candy's leader is kicking Sears butt in the background. No projectiles. Okay, time for number one. These guys probably haven't seen it. No, let's do Johnny Bravo's. Huh. That was weird, but oh well. This bird requires number one. Well, yeah, activation of that requires number one. This you cannot mix. If you stay down there, you're good dead. personally, I don't even like that area. Notice how a raccoon lives in the background. He's just standing there like, so, just chilling. Raccoons are mysterious creatures. If you were not able to buy Kevin 11 and Johnny Bravo, you don't have to use them. You only have to use the necessary characters are Flapjack, Cookie Knuckles, and yeah. Well, not necessary if you're with other people. It's necessary if you're playing by yourself. Which in this point, yes. We're gonna make it. Oh gosh. I feel so sorry for that sucker.
Super attack.
Let's do number 1, since we're just about done. All we gotta show you now is, yeah, Kevin 11. Suicider. Oh crap. That had to hurt.
Not even a shower.
It's like just taking up the midgets first. They're the most annoying. Pounded pistol to the ground. And yeah. You gotta play. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. I love doing that. We made it to the top of the treehouse. Good job, team. Oh, I feel me wooden knees splitting. Splintering.
I like what you're doing out there.
So the only person I necessarily need to show you at this moment is Kevin.
Kevin 11. Number 1.
I like blue.
Number 1. Johnny Bravo.
Well, Johnny Bravo's already wearing blue, so I guess that's why. This is blue and black.
Sticky Beard's pirates have overrun the treehouse. Wow. Pirates, secret bases, candy legs. This show has everything. Kids next door.
Repel the pirates at all costs. Battle station. If I had Ben 10, it would have been a different story. Teen Ben, I mean. Here's the last person I need to show you. That was simple. That was a tough fight, but I think we're in something even tougher. Oh, look at that giant ship heading over our way. It's pretty. It's not Pretty Flapjack, it's Sticky Beard. And he's heading straight for us. I bet that ship is loaded with candy. Hey Flap, let's help the kid take down that pirate. And by help, I mean let's let him do the hard work so we can sneak on board and live like kings.
They don't give plumber's badges out to wannabes.
Oh, you just got owned? This is hard to say.
Kevin
I think
11.
I'm gonna stick a Kevin. Not personally, but yeah. For now.
Kids next door!
Nice timing, number 2.
Owie! Ahoy, mateys! Best be shoving off.
A pickle. Charge, men, charge!
Circling the drain!
Crap. I think it's like a drug in this game. How many times have I gotten Fred Burger? Hey, got a present for you. Darn it, you missed the present. There's a present. Coco.
Circling the drain!
Crud. This isn't good.
Hang on to your underwear! You're in for a pound.
Booyah! This is gonna be painful. There he goes. Let's get Sticky Bear. Here comes the difficult part. You have to pass this part in order to, yeah. It's necessary. This is not choice, it is needed. This is not an optional area, so to say. Gotta defend it for a certain amount of time. You're done. First, I made my brother do this. Yeah! We were stuck on it for like a month, I think. I don't remember very well. This was like a long time ago. Yeah! Okay, guys. Sticky Beard has been driven off once more. Thanks to the kid next door, I got 2 new friends. Knuckles, I want to check out all your wooden pieces and compare them tonight. 2x4 technology. Looking's free, but touching them gonna cost us. Well, just go ahead and take us back. We don't know how to do it.
Bye, friend.
You mean we're stuck here? Away from Stormlong Harbor? Away from Bubby? How are we going to get home?
Aw, man, the channel flipped just as it was getting really good. It was just like my favorite high-impact action soap, The Young and the Wrestlers. Looks like Dexter's up to something over here. Hey, wait a minute. Father? What's he doing here? But if Father is in the lab with Dexter, where did everyone else go? It's the city of Townsville, home to the most amazing kindergarten superheroes, the Powerpuff Girls.
You all should remember them.
Looks like Mojo Jojo's causing a big no-no. And somehow I'm rhyming. At least it sounded so. That hurt to even watch.
Ouch. Okay, guys, thanks for
Congratulations on showing the other
watching
person how much better you are.
World Candy, Kids Next Door. Peace out. Next time we'll be doing
Bubbles.
Powerpuff Girls!